How to add countdown timer with progress bar in WooCommerce. Navigate to the product badges. Once you're in the product badges section, click on the Add New button to create a new countdown timer. Enter a descriptive name for your countdown timer to easily identify it later. Switch to the Countdown Timer tab to begin configuring your timer settings. Choose Out of Image to ensure that your countdown timer appears outside the product image. Pick a timer style that best fits your product's design aesthetic. Set the start and end dates for your countdown timer. Customize the message color to match your brand's color scheme or stand out against the background. Similarly, adjust the text color to ensure readability and visual appeal. Modify the font size for both the countdown timer and the accompanying message to ensure they are appropriately sized for your product display. Now, head over to the Products tab to apply your countdown timer to specific products. Find the Is on Sale option and choose Yes to link your countdown timer with products that are currently on sale. After making all the necessary adjustments, click on the Save button to finalize your settings. Now, your countdown timer is set up and will be displayed on all selected products that are on sale. How to add countdown timer out of image in WooCommerce. Once you're in the Product Badges section, click on the Add New button to create a new countdown timer. Give your countdown timer a unique name. This will help you easily identify it later. Once you've named your timer, go to the Countdown Timer tab. Under the Countdown Timer tab, find the placement options and select Out of Image. This ensures the timer will appear outside the product image. Pick a style for your timer from the available options. Set the start date and end date. Adjust the color of the timer to match your site's theme. Modify the text color to ensure it's readable and stands out. If you're displaying a message along with the timer, change its color to suit your design preferences. Update the message that will be displayed with the timer. This could be something like limited time offer or sale ending in. Modify the font size for both the countdown timer and the accompanying message to ensure they're easily readable on all devices. After configuring your timer, go to the Products tab to link it with specific products. Choose Stock Status. Select In Stock to ensure the timer only appears on products that are currently available for purchase. Once you've completed all the settings, click Save to apply the countdown timer to your selected products. Now, visit the All Products section in your WooCommerce store to view the items currently in stock. The countdown timer should now be displayed on these products, creating a sense of urgency for customers. Now, your selected products that are in stock will display a countdown timer, creating urgency and encouraging customers to make a purchase before time runs out. How to add countdown timer on image and out of image in WooCommerce. Once you're in the Product Badges section, click on the Add New button to create a new countdown timer. Enter a unique name for your timer to easily identify it later. Once you've named your timer, go to the Countdown Timer tab to start configuring your timer settings. In the Countdown Timer tab, you'll find a variety of timer styles to choose from. Browse through the available options and select the one that best fits your product display. Specify the start and end date for your countdown timer. This determines the duration of the countdown displayed on your product image. Customize the background color of your countdown timer to match your brand or product theme. Modify the width of the timer to fit perfectly on your product image, ensuring it looks just right. Choose the position on the image where you want the timer to be displayed. You can place it in the center, corner, or any other position that complements your design. Enhance the visibility of your countdown timer by adding an animation effect. Define how long the animation effect will last. This helps in maintaining a smooth and engaging user experience. After setting up the countdown timer, go to the Products tab to select the product you want to apply the timer to. In the Products tab, find and select the product for which you want to add the countdown timer. In this example, we'll choose the beanie product. Finally, click on the Save button to apply the countdown timer settings. Now displaying the countdown timer on image for the beanie product. To display the countdown timer out of the image, return to the Countdown Timer tab and select the Out of Image option. Update the animation effect to swing to give it a dynamic feel. Once you've made these adjustments, save the settings again. Now displaying the countdown timer out of image for the beanie product. How to change countdown timer out of image position on product page and archive page. As you saw in the previous section, I created a countdown timer positioned outside the image for the beanie product. Navigate to Settings tab. Change the position setting to move the countdown timer to your desired location, such as after the product title. Navigate to the product page. You should now see the countdown timer displayed after the title, exactly as configured. Go back to the Out of Image Position on Product page setting. This time, adjust the timer's position to be displayed after the product price. Save the changes. Once you've saved your changes, revisit the product page to confirm that the countdown timer is now displayed after the product price. Return to the Settings tab and find the Out of Image Position on Archive page option. Adjust the setting to place the countdown timer before the product title. Save your changes. Finally, check the archive page to ensure the countdown timer is now positioned before the product title. How to download and install the free and pro versions of the plugin. Start by accessing your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Plugins to open the Plugins Management section. Before proceeding, make sure that WooCommerce is installed and activated on your site. If it's not already installed, you'll need to do so first. Click on Add New Plugin. Search for Asana plugins or badge and product label for WooCommerce. Click on Install Now and Activate. You have now successfully installed and activated the free version of the plugin. Navigate to Product Badges. If you wish to unlock additional features, you can upgrade to the Pro version. Go to the Product Badges section and look for the option to download the Pro version. Follow the provided link to make the purchase and download the Pro version of the plugin. For your convenience, the link to download and use the plugin has been added in the description below. After downloading the Pro version, return to the Plugins section in your WordPress dashboard. Click on Add New again, but this time, select Upload Plugin. Click on Choose File and select the Pro version plugin file you just downloaded. Then, click on Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate to enable the Pro version. You have now successfully installed and activated the Pro version of the Badge and Product Label for WooCommerce plugin. You're all set to start using the enhanced features to customize your product badges.